On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money from home with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that I'm going to show you one of the best offers that you can promote in a free traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product so that you can be making money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join, but in this case I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is available worldwide. They have a lot of different payment methods that you can use to receive your money anytime you make sales on this platform. So search for Digistore24. Once you search for it, create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, there are many products that you can promote on this platform. As I scroll, you can see these are all products that you can promote to make money from home. Most of these products, you don't need an approval to promote them. You are already allowed to promote any of them that you want. So all that you need to do is that you have to select any of them that you want and then begin to drive traffic to your affiliate link so that you can get people to purchase the product through your affiliate link, and you are going to be paid a commission. Some of the products have higher commission rates, so even if you are able to get 1 sale per day, 2 sales per day, you are going to be earning a lot of money. You can see this one, for example, you are going to be earning $136.32 per every sale that you get. This one you're going to be earning $148.78 per every sale that you get. There are many of them, so just select the one that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. Apart from these products, if you want a specific category of products, all that you need to do is that you have to come right here. Once you're here, you can click on digital products. Once you click on it, you can see these are subcategories of digital products. So assuming you have a website or a YouTube channel that is based on any of these niches, you can select an offer and then promote it on your website or on your YouTube or under the description of your YouTube channel. You can see a whole lot of them. Any kind of audience that you have, you can get a product under that niche and then promote it on Digistore24. If you don't have a YouTube channel or a website, you can also run ads to get people to purchase the product that you are promoting. All that you need to do is that you have to select a category that you want so that you can find an offer to promote. There are many of them. You can see languages, law and justice, online marketing and e-business, personal development, photography and film. You can see politics and economy and many others. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can select and offer to promote. If you don't want the digital products, you can scroll down and then select physical products. So when you click on shipping products, they are the physical products. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see you can promote skincare products, you can promote food supplements and many others. You can see they have services that you can promote. They have events and seminars that you can promote. So any kind of product that you want, you can find it on Digistore24 to promote. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting a specific offer that I've been promoting recently. So I'm going to show you how you can promote it to make money from home. This is the product that I've been promoting recently. Pro-dentin. Pro-dentin is a supplement that helps people to strengthen their teeth and gums. So if you are promoting it, you have to target people who want to strengthen their teeth and gums. You can see the commission rate is $128.56. You can see the card conversion rate is 24%. That means if you promote it to targeted people, once they click on your link, you are going to get about 24% of those clicks converting to sales. So assuming you get 500 people clicking on your link, 24% of the 500 people are going to convert to sales, and you are going to be making a lot of money. So what you have to do is that you have to click on the product so that you can begin promoting it. Once you click on it, the next step is that if you are new, what you have to do is that you have to click on sales page. Click on it so that you can be able to see the landing page of the product before you promote it. The landing page contains some basic information about the product. So all that you need to do is that you have to read and then get familiar with the information before you can promote it to your potential customers. You can see everything on the landing page. It has a nice landing page. You can see they have bonuses for your potential customers and many other things. You can see these are testimonials. When you scroll down, you can see the different packages of the products and many other information. Just take your time, read and get familiar with everything before you begin to promote the product. You can see they also have money back guarantee. You can see it right here, 60-day money back guarantee. So if your potential customers purchase the product, if they are not satisfied with the results within 60 days, they can send the product back and then take their monies. You can see a whole lot of different information. Once you get familiar with the product, the next step is that you have to come back on the store.info and then click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on it, you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product, so that they can purchase the product for you to earn a commission on the store.info. There are many traffic sources that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link. If you want, you can run Google ads, Facebook ads, Microsoft ads, Pinterest ads, or any paid traffic source that you want. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a website where you can use to run ads for free, and you are going to be targeting people who live in one of the tier 1 countries. You don't need to pay for anything, everything is free. The website that we are going to be using today to run our ads is australianplanet.com. Australian Planet is a website that allows you to post ads to people who live in Australia. Australia is one of the tier 1 countries where you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the products that you are promoting. You can see you can post an ad in any of these categories. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can post an ad without paying for anything. You can see they have dining, education, professionals, public services, recreation and parties, healthcare, transportation, travel and hotels, and many others. So any of these categories that you want, you can post an ad without paying for anything. To post an ad onto the platform, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post my ad. Once you click on post my ad, the next step is that you have to select a category. So click right here for sale, because you want to sell something. Once that is done, you have to upload images of the offer that you want to promote. You can search for the name of the offer on Google and then get images that you can use on your ad. So for example, let's search for Pro Dentin images. That is the name of the product that you are promoting. Once you search for it, click on images. Once you click on images, you can see these are all images that you can use in your ad. Download any of them that you want. Just download as many as you want. To download an image, right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save image as. Once you click on it, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, the next step is that you have to come back, click right here, upload photos. So you must upload as many as you can. Once you click on it, select your image and then click on open. As you can see, the image has been uploaded 100%. You can see it right here. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to give a title to your ad and a description. What I usually do is that I use ChatGPT. I go on ChatGPT and then give a prompt so that it will write an ad title and a description for me. So when you come on ChatGPT, you can see this is my prompt, and you can see this is a title and a description that it has written for me. You can see everything right here. Now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the title. Once you highlight and copy the title, the next step is that you have to come back and then paste your affiliate link right here. Once that is done, you have to come back on ChatGPT, highlight and copy the description, highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. This is your description. Now once that is done, you have to enter the price. It is optional, but if you want, you can enter the price. So they have Australian dollars, they also have US dollars and pounds. So any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, we are going to select US dollars. Once that is done, you have to come back on the store.info. You can see this is the price of the product. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, enter the price here. Once you enter the price, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link here. So come back on the store.info and then click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, you are going to come back, paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see location. Select any location in Australia that you want. So let's select New South Wales. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see city. Click on it and then select any place that you want. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, enter your name. If you want, you can enter your phone number. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to post your ad so that you can get people to purchase the product for you to make money. So click right here, post my ad. Once you click on it, you can see your ad has been received. We will review your ad before publishing it. You can watch it in minutes. Within some few minutes, they are going to review your ad. If you are not publishing dangerous drugs or abusive things, they can allow your ad to run on the website so that you can get people who live in Australia to click on your link and then purchase the product for you to make money without investing anything. So make sure you go on Teespring, find a different product, come back and post it onto this platform. You can see don't repeat the same ad. So you are not allowed to publish this product again. All that you need to do is that you have to go back on Teespring, select a different product and then publish it onto this platform. Keep on publishing different products so that you can drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate link. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.